Good morning everyone, my name is Archie and welcome back to our Facebook and YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys. I would like to say hello to my lovely wife and kids, and especially to you who's watching right now. Thank you so much guys. And as of now, our project, or we're assembling a new project as of now. Yeah, as you can see this. Break time once again. Shout out kay Boy Nilo. And to all my foreign friends who can watch this video, thank you so much guys. That thing is the actual position is like that already. Our leading hand mentioned it to us that we will assemble 15 pieces of it. So thank you guys. This is the ladder assembled by Mr. Boy Nilo. So thank you so much guys. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and keep safe always. Enjoy life full of love and happiness. Thank you.